I'm actively using this microphone to make this video. I can turn off noise canceling and you'll hear a difference. So here I'm rubbing the wall with the noise canceling on. I'm hitting this button, the light goes off. You see the noise canceling is gone, and now I can do the same motion. It really does pick up in the background. I'm going to turn that back off, and it does improve my video quality. I find this thing very helpful. I can plug it anywhere I like, and it's not quite as loud. It gives me a little bit more volume control.
Here's everything you need to know. The carrying case is soft but firm. It goes in any backpack easily. It is 4 by 4 by 2. The unit itself is 3 inches, 1 inch deep, about 2 inches high. It does have a rechargeable USB-C connection on the back and an included cord that has USB-C to USB-A. Anytime you need to recharge the case for 80 hours of hold time, simply let this thing run and then it will hold it for 80 hours. The units themselves hold a 10-hour charge time. You do get a left and a right unit. These are both also rechargeable on the fly with a USB-C should you need it while using. It does have 2 microphones and full settings here. This is your connection indicator. As soon as I pull this out, you will see that it will begin to connect as soon as I put it into my phone. From a connection standpoint, you do have a USB-C and a lightning that can go into the bottom of the phone, so you're covered there. And while using, if you need to recharge either of these, they do have a USB-C connection on the side. So you can be using the connection unit in the machine and charging it with a remote battery should you need to do that. Gives you full long-term use. Let me go ahead and show this connecting in. I'm going to use my USB-C connection. Helps if I put it in connection side up so you can see it. You will begin to see it's trying to compare both the left and the right. I have the left out, so it has connected this one immediately, and you see a standard connection there, steady. It is looking for the right one also. You do not have to use both, but you'll see if I pull this one out of the machine, it'll pair with that one, and now both the left and the right microphone are active, and they do have noise canceling on. If I don't want the noise canceling on, I simply hit this bottom button, it turns it off. I don't know why you would do that, but you could, and then turn it back on. This is just your on-off button, and this is your features. Standard 2 microphones at the top. The clip holds well for me, no issues there. And like I said, you can do USB-C charge on the fly. Don't need that, and I don't need the lightning for today, so I'm gonna just put those both back in the case. It slides well, closes well, and I like that it does give you an indication of how much battery it has. So right now it does have 100% battery. Because one of the units in, it is charging. You'll see if I put the other one back in the case, you'll see both of these are charging now, so it is actively charging both of the units while it's in. I love there's built-in mute and noise cancellation. I love that it's very travel ready and convenient, good to go, even has a carrying case if you need it. So compact, easy to use. This thing is kind of a no-brainer for anybody who's not very tech savvy. They can still use this. And for full transparency, here is the machine in my ring light. It does have the receiver and the microphone. I'm going to switch now, only running everything off of this phone using this so you can hear full audio quality.
My favorite thing about this is it recharges everything in the case. So I can take this around with me, recharge the units, ready to go. And when I'm ready to recharge the entire case, I can plug it in with the USB-C. It will recharge for me in 80 hours hold, which is super convenient. Overall, really pleased with the mic. Hope you enjoy this audio quality. And thanks to Sella for sending this over. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.